African way of cooking fish stew or fish soup with Chef Joshua Musisi. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for daily recipes. So we are going to first wash our fish. After washing it, we are going to divide it or to slice it. Then get a saucepan, apply your cooking oil. When it's ready, you apply the onions. Cook the onions until golden brown. Then when the onions are golden brown or when the onions are ready, we are going to apply the tomato purees or grated tomatoes or blended tomatoes, anything of your choice. Then when you apply them, you also cook again. We are doing fish stew. We are doing Ugandan fish stew, African fish stew. Then we are going to apply the garlic. It is optional, you can skip it. Grated garlic, apply grated garlic. Then after, you are going to apply tomato paste. You apply tomato paste to thicken your what? To thicken your stew. Then after applying tomato paste, we are going to apply the turmeric. Apply turmeric for color. Then after applying turmeric, you're going to apply Reiko. Apply Reiko for taste. If you don't have it, you can skip it and use any other spice. You're going to apply little water so that you can make it a little bit runny. Then after that, for the new viewers, please subscribe. You're going to apply spring onions. After applying spring onions, we are going to cook again. After that, you are going to apply the carrots diamond or chopped. Then you're going to apply also green pepper chopped. After, you're going to apply the fresh coriander, also fresh coriander mixed. Then you're going to also cook for some more minutes. You're going to apply some more water. Then after, apply the salt. Make sure that you don't put much water. Then you're going to leave it to boil. After applying salt, leave it to boil. When the water is ready, we are going to apply our fresh fish. This is the best way of cooking Ugandan fish stew or African fish stew. Then you're going to boil until ready. I repeat it. Boil your fish stew or your fish soup until ready, until you see that it's ready. And don't overboil it. Don't overboil it, because if you overboil it, it will mash. It is me, Chef Josh Musisi. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you can get daily recipes. And don't forget to share this recipe with every friend of yours. Don't miss every day on my YouTube channel with these recipes.